Hello, this is Mr. Malay, and here's your video review for AP US History test coming up on Wednesday. You need to know that the Quakers believed that men and women were equal in the church, but not everywhere else in their lives. You need to know what John Winthrop meant when he said that Massachusetts Bay was supposed to be a city on the hill. You need to be able to tell me the differences between Rhode Island and Massachusetts Bay. You need to be able to tell me the differences between the northern and the southern colonies. That's going to be your essay question. You need to tell me 3 ways that the Quakers were different than most other churches. You need to tell me what mercantilism means. You need to be able to tell me about the lost colony of Roanoke. You need to tell me what the first successful British colony was. You need to tell me who John Smith was and what he did. You need to know what the Middle Passage was like. You need to know what an indentured servant was. You need to be able to tell me the names, or match the following names to their definition: Squanto, William Bradford, Rebecca Nurse, Great Migration, John Winthrop, a Freeman, John Cotton, Anne Hutchison, William Penn, Roger Williams. You'd be able to give me the definitions for the next several things: the New England colonies, the 95 Thesis, John Calvin, Martin Luther, Miles Standish, the Elect, the Stono Rebellion, Pilgrims, Predestination, John Smith, Thomas Hooker, Fundamental Orders of Connecticut, King Philip, WASP, W-A-S-P, that's White Anglo-Saxon Protestant, Harvard, Manhattan Island, New Amsterdam, Jacob Leisler, the Society of Friends, Poltroons, Anglican, Sea Dog, Debtor's Prison, Primogeniture, Protestant Wind, Sir Walter Raleigh, Tobacco Bride, Chesapeake Bay Colonies, Northwest Passage, Tobacco. You need to know that most people moved to New England in search of freedom of religion, and you need to be able to tell me what the Virginia Charter is, which colony was created via Catholic haven, who Pocahontas was, who was Lord Baltimore, also known as the founder of Maryland, John Rolfe, John Smith, again for different reasons, Georgia, Headright System, James Oglethorpe, and Pennsylvania. And if you study all of those things, you should do fine on the quiz Wednesday.